Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today we're gonna make air fryer pizza stuffed chicken breast. It's an easy lunch or dinner idea that takes less than 30 minutes. For the ingredients, you'll need chicken breast, pepperoni, shredded mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, olive oil, salt, garlic powder, pepper, Italian seasoning, and red pepper flakes. Start by patting the chicken dry with a paper towel. Next, lay the chicken flat and using a sharp knife, cut the chicken horizontally lengthwise, but not all the way through. Next, turn the chicken over and rub it with some olive oil. Season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Flip the chicken over, and on the right side, add pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella, pepperoni, and red pepper flakes. Close the chicken and secure the edges with toothpicks. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 18 minutes. Once the air fryer is ready, add the chicken to the air fryer and air fry for 15 to 18 minutes until the chicken is done. Be sure to check on them halfway through. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the air fryer, let it cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.